Hello my beautiful nail lovers, welcome back to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time and location. You are highly welcome to OC Hair Lounge, a channel that goes to cover to latest hairstyles and nail designs. So if you're a lover of beautiful nails and hairs and you're just coming across my channel for the very first time, or you have been watching my videos but you haven't subscribed, come on, kindly do all to subscribe to this channel, then turn on your bell notification so that you don't miss out on our subsequent videos. Thank you so much as you join us. So ladies, today we have carefully selected most elegant and trending acrylic nail designs for my ladies. Gorgeous nails ideas for beautiful ladies just like you. Here in this video, you're gonna be seeing beautiful nails ideas. We have both long and short lengths in different colors and nail art. Okay, different nail art that you definitely fall in love with. So you guys ensure to watch from beginning to the end. Just when I say you definitely love these nails. So as you watch the video, kindly select your most loved ones and also share to your family and friends so they can also be part of these beautiful videos. And you guys, as you watch our videos, kindly encourage us by liking the video. So guys, just give it a thumbs up so it will reach a wider audience, and also drop a love comment in the comment section. Tell us, will you be trying any of these nails? Just let us know in the comment section. To you my returning viewers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch our videos. You guys have been so supportive. God bless you all, and see you guys in the next video. Bye.